All right, this video was shot on July 13th, and I thought you all would like to see what a rainstorm in Ottawa looks like. This started in the afternoon, and a few minutes before this, I was lying out in the back on a lounge chair taking in the sun, and then all of a sudden the clouds came in and it started to rain. And you can see the wind blowing off the roof and it just starting here to rain lightly with the wind picking up. Typical thunderstorm. Yeah, we had a little lightning, little thunder before this. And you can see the rain is starting now. It's getting pretty hectic out there. Rain is not really heavy yet, but it's starting. And flower bed. These are the asters that I just planted not too many days ago, just a couple of days ago. And you can see a cyclist going by with splashing water. It's starting slowly but surely. Rain barrels at the back are starting to flow, so it's picking up speed. That's the second rain barrel. And this is one of the downspouts in the front of the house. Flowers in the back. Rain's just starting to pick up now, and you can see the intensity is building, starting to sweep down the road. That's interesting, just sitting out watching a rainstorm progress from start to finish. Car is going over the speed bump and it's starting to get heavier. Now it's getting really heavy and the cars are splashing quite a bit through the speed bump. I find that interesting to sit out and watch this. See the downspout getting a little stronger. This is the one in the front, starting to pour out now. And I thought I'd be interesting to watch a little slow motion of the water. This is a slow motion of a car going over the speed bump. You can see the water splashing. It's raining quite heavily right now. Whoa, it's going a little fast. All right, some of the flowers in the rain, after the rain, still coming down. Eleanor's geranium. Welcome to our house. This is the backyard, still raining lightly, but not quite as heavily as it was before. Good for the beans, good for the tomatoes. This is the close-up of the apple tree. The water coming down into the rain barrel. It's probably full by now. Well, because it was only partially full when it started. And enough rain to fill the whole barrel if it was empty. I think the sun's starting to come out now. backyard. Hostas are doing well this year, except not the echinacea. The rabbits have eaten all the echinacea. We have 3 rabbits. I don't know how many squirrels, 4 or 5 pigeons. Now the sun's come out and we're having barbecued chicken for dinner. This is an hour or 2 later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the rainstorm in Ottawa. Take care. Have a great day.